let's focus. Yeah, it's focused. Now the thing is that I have been printing this Deadpool marks for 2 to 3 days, and everything seemed to work fine until this happened. So basically this goes. Now since all the parts have been printed except the back one, I won't be focusing on the back part. I will try to glue all the parts together. We'll be using CA glue for that purpose, and once I'm finished with the whole setup, I will see if it's needed to sand it or prime it, and let's do it.
Hey, this is your not so friendly Deadpool, and I hope you have watched my movie Deadpool 2. I look so good in that. I'm getting Oscar for that. Yay! So, by the time I get my Oscar, you guys watch Make With Works. Ta-da!
I won't be claiming this marks to be the best in the world. I know this is not the best, but I made this from scratch, taking consideration that I live in India where things are expensive. This is perfect for me. But anyways, if you like this content, 1%, do share with your friends, and I would love to see your support in the comments because that motivates me a lot.
Hi, I just forgot to say that subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for more videos just like this.